This is Coach Regina, and I'm not at the gate. I am inside today. I remember the first time that I heard that expression, at the gate. I did not know what it meant. And then I would see videos with Coach standing outside the gate. But now I understand it. And what it means is that with the lawsuit packages, the coaching from Coach Neighbors, and watching the videos would get you at the gate. Where previously your lawsuits would just be dismissed as if you never filed anything, and no one would listen to you. You just wouldn't get any results. But with these lawsuit packages, they cannot be answered. When I go into the courthouse, the clerks know that these lawsuits cannot be answered. They don't want to file the papers. They just want me to disappear because they know that I am at the gate. So invest in a lawsuit package, watch the videos, enroll in the coaching sessions, and you too will be at the gate. Thank you, Coach Neighbors.